Hey fellow travelers, welcome to Connecting Over Coffee. My name's Louisa and today is Travel Tip Tuesday and I'm going to be giving you 10 French phrases you should know before going to any French speaking country. So today I'm filming from downtown LA in Pershing Square, so don't mind the ruckus or the people walking by. Let's get started. The first word I want you to learn today is a word that everybody knows, but I feel like a lot of people mispronounce it. So the first word is bonjour, which means hello. So to pronounce bonjour, a lot of people say bonjour, and that's kind of not, because you're not technically pronouncing the N completely. It's sort of like you're touching it, but not like seeing it through. So it's like bonjour. So besides bonjour, which is great for daytime and afternoon saying hello, the French also have bonsoir. Bonsoir you use when you can actually visibly see that it's nighttime, or usually like after 4, maybe 5 p.m., like in the afternoon. It's definitely a word for the afternoon to evening. So again, to say hello when it's afternoon or evening, you're gonna wanna say bonsoir. Most of y'all already know this word too, but to say thanks, you're gonna wanna say merci. Now, a lot of people say merci, and that's kind of not, it's not right at all. So merci. This one's a bit tough, and to get that R sound, oof, super tough. But again, so if you wanna say thank you very much, you're gonna wanna say merci beaucoup. I know we've heard that a lot of times in the American culture. It's just something we grew up with. We just kind of know it. But it's always good to get the pronunciation right. So merci beaucoup. To ask how are you, you're going to want to say comment allez-vous. Now it's very formal, so this is for someone that you don't know. So it's actually a really great thing to go into a bakery, a boulangerie, and say bonjour, comment allez-vous? Like hello, how are you? So if someone asks that back to you, comment allez-vous? You're going to want to respond with je vais bien. Je vais bien. Now, that's also a tricky one for Spanish speakers because we say bien for good when, and in French it's bien. So watch out for that. So, comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. To ask if someone speaks English, which, I mean, that should actually be one of the first things besides saying bonjour. You should say bonjour and then follow it up with parlez-vous anglais? So you're asking them, do you speak English? And that's a great way to like sort of break it. And most people will either hear your accent and switch, or they'll tell you they can speak it a little. You're probably gonna get a little if you go to like some countries. One of the best phrases that I learned and that helped me so much, and even to this day I use it all the time, and of course I would have to use it because it's a really good phrase to know, but it's je voudrais. So je voudrais means I would like. It's very proper, but you want to be proper if you don't know someone, because you know you want to be respectable. So for instance, if you want to say I would like a glass of red wine, you're going to want to say je voudrais un verre de vin rouge. Je voudrais un poulet. I would like a chicken. Je voudrais un jouet. I would like a toy. So there's many ways in which you can use it. Another good phrase to know, and one that freaking helped me a lot, because man, were there times where I had to use the bathroom. So to ask where is the bathroom, you're going to want to say où sont les toilettes. Okay, so où sont les toilettes? So everybody will understand, and they'll tell you, point you exactly where you need to go. If you're lost and you want to find the metro, you may want to ask où est le métro? Où est le métro? Be careful with the LE, because I know a lot of us Spanish speaking people want to say le, and it's not le, it's le. It's so tricky. That took me a long time to totally get that down packed. Le métro. If you want to make someone's day in Montreal or Paris, you're going to want to tell them have a great day after having any sort of transaction with them. So I have delighted many people with this phrase because I think they weren't expecting it from someone like me, you know, an English speaking person. So to say have a great day, you're going to want to say bonne journée. Bonne journée. Okay, and the same thing goes for the night. Remember how we went over this? There was like a nighttime, like have a great night. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Another word you should be using in French when you're speaking to anybody for a transaction, especially if you're asking for something, the word please goes a long way. The word for please is s'il vous plaît. So if you're at a boulangerie and you would like a baguette, a baguette, yes, I love those. You're gonna wanna say bonjour, comment allez-vous? Je voudrais un baguette. Je voudrais un croissant. S'il vous plaît. Always s'il vous plaît at the end. Sometimes I forget that, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of naughty. It's a terrible habit. But je voudrais un baguette s'il vous plaît. And you'll see, they'll respond very positively. And then after you pay, you say bonne journée or bonne soirée. It's probably gonna be bonne journée because most bakeries like close after like they finish with their products like around 2. So bonne journée, au revoir, which means goodbye, au revoir, bye-bye. Speaking of which, thank y'all for tuning in today. I hope you learned something and I hope that you'll be able to take these French phrases and put them to use. Until next time, stay safe and stay traveling, y'all. Bye. If you liked this video, really, truly, check out our other videos. I think you might like them. And then hit the subscribe button, seriously, because we're awesome and you're gonna love this channel so much. Did you hit the subscribe button?